Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you cTrader, the incredibly comprehensive platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. In our last videos, we've looked at a variety of some amazing cTrader features, and in this video, we will move ahead and look at trading and placing orders. There are numerous places to enter the market on cTrader. In the active symbol panel, you have a full order ticket where you may place a market order, limit order, or stop order, all of which we will explain in this video. On each chart you have Quick Trade, where you may enter the market directly or drag and drop a stop or limit order. If you don't see the Quick Trade, simply right-click on the chart and select Viewing Options and Quick Trade buttons. In your watch lists or under all symbols in the Trade menu, you may right-click and select Create New Order, where you have a pop-up with an order ticket and a fully functioning chart, which may be hidden, and the pop-up may be detached on cTrader desktop. The New Order buttons here and here activate the same pop-up. Right-clicking on any item in the Trade Watch also gives you a New Order option. Also, on cTrader desktop, you may right-click and open a detachable symbol window, which includes a quick trade with the option of placing market orders or limit orders. Placing a market order on the active symbol is quite simple. You set your quantity in lots, click either buy or sell, enter a comment if you wish, and click place order. We will look at how to determine your quantity in the next video on risk management. You will note that the open position appears in Trade Watch, and you have a visual marker on the chart and an arrow indicates the direction of the position. Hover over the open position on the chart and you will see its current status, and you may create, drag, and drop a stop loss and a take profit. These will now be displayed in Trade Watch, and by right-clicking you may modify position. By changing the quantity to a lower figure, you may partially close the position, and by changing this to a higher figure, you may add to the position. You also have the option, either on the chart or in Trade Watch, to reverse the position from a buy to a sell or vice versa at the same quantity, or double the quantity at the existing price in the same direction. You may close any position by clicking the X in Trade Watch, in the Modify pop-up, or on the chart, and you may close all positions in Trade Watch. You have the option of placing a limit order, which is the point where you expect price action to reverse in your favor. For example, if we expect the price to fall to this level, and we hope it will reverse to this level, we simply create an entry price, an expiry date and time, click Buy Limit or Sell Limit as required, and click Place Order. Limit orders may be modified similarly to an open position with stop loss and take profit, and you may move all price points at the same time on the chart, noting this arrow with a line indicating a limit order. Limit orders will appear in Trade Watch under Orders, which you may modify or cancel in the usual ways. You have the option of placing a stop order at the level where you expect price action to reach and continue in the same direction. Stop loss and take profit are on opposite sides to that of the limit order, but every other feature behaves in the same manner as a limit order. In this case, the line appears at the pointed end of the arrow indicating a stop order. Quick Trade is just that. With your quantity set to the correct lot size, you may enter the market on the click of a button and adjust your stop loss and take profit on the chart. You may also place limit and stop orders from Quick Trade by simply dragging from either side, buy or sell. Depending upon which side of the current price you place your order, cTrader will determine whether it is a stop or limit order. That's all for now. In our next video, we will continue with placing orders with risk management. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader desktop and web video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.